Gary from Centric in Solihull, and today I'm in Stechford on Alcombe Grove, so come on in and see this 3-bedroom mid-terrace property. So internally, you've got this incredibly spacious living room and separate kitchen to the other side of the stairs on the ground floor. And then going upstairs, you've got 3 good-sized double bedrooms as well as the shower room and separate toilet. So outside at the back, you've got this private fenced garden, which does have an outside storage cupboard as well. For more information, contact myself, Gary, or Nancy on 0121 705 3242 option 1.